Welcome to the Writer's Toolbox, and today we're going to be looking at claims. What is a claim? Basically, a claim is something that somebody believes to be true, and it should be debatable. Let's consider this for a moment. Perhaps you're writing a paper about Harry Potter, and one of your claims is that J.K. Rowling wrote Harry Potter. This isn't really a claim, because there's no room to debate. It doesn't leave room for argument or analysis. However, if your claim was Harry Potter is about friendship, this requires evidence, analysis, and argument, and other people could say otherwise. Some people could say Harry Potter is about growing up with troubles. Others could say Harry Potter is about good versus evil. As you can see, claims have to be debatable. But not all claims are equal. Some claims are stronger than others. Consider this. Reading makes you smarter. This is a weak claim. Consider strengthening claims by adding why or how. Reading makes you smarter because you're exposed to new vocabulary. This is a better claim. As you can see here, it gives your argument direction. It gives you guidance in your analysis, and the reader knows what points you're about to make. There are certain tools that can help you do this. When explaining why, you can use phrases such as because, as a result of, to, in order to, so, or due to. And when explaining how, you can say through the use of, by, or via. Let's look at an example with Richard White's Black Boy. To set some context, Black Boy is a memoir by Richard White. It describes his life as he moves from the South, which is riddled with racism and oppression through the Jim Crow laws, into the North, where he gets involved in communism. Throughout the entire story, he experiences hardship. He's always hungry, he's judged by people, and his family are violent and extremely religious. Maybe the claim could be that Wright creates a sense of realism in his novel Black Boy. This is a good claim. It's debatable, and it requires evidence and analysis. However, a better claim would be, by using colloquialisms in dialogue, Wright creates a sense of realism in his novel Black Boy. This tells you how he does something, not just what he does. Wright uses the stick used by his granny to whip him as a symbol. Again, this is debatable, but it only tells you what is happening. It doesn't tell you why or how. Consider this as an improvement. Wright uses a stick used by his granny to whip him as a symbol to demonstrate his isolation and the narrow roles that are enforced upon him by society. As you can see here, we are given a why. Why is he using the stick as a symbol? What's he using it for? Finally, you might say Wright uses a motif of hunger throughout a novel. Again, this is a good observation, but as a claim, you're only saying what. Why is he doing it? Perhaps you could say, Wright uses a motif of hunger throughout his novel in order to highlight the oppression of black people in America. As you can see here, on the left we are just hearing what. These are descriptions. But on the right, we're hearing how and why. These are reasons and explanations. In order to have strong claims, we want to be telling the reader why or how somebody does something when they read our essays. Moving forward, please always remember that claims are things that you believe to be true, and they are debatable. And there are certain tools to do this by making your claim strong, explaining why and how. Thank you.